Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your course on Telegram. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So first open the Telegram app. After that, click on the three lines at the top of the screen. After that, click on the settings, and you can see in the settings section there is the notification and sounds. And the second section here is the course. So you have two options, the vibrate option, and here you have additional options like disabled, default, short, long, and only if silent, and of course the ringtone. So you can select the default ringtone, silent, or you can and you can choose from this list as well. So this is the how you can customize your course on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.